Well, back to that breaking news in the Palm Springs quadruple murder retrial. The judge has announced his intent to deny a mistrial after new incriminating evidence was discovered more than 3 years after the crimes. News Channel 3's Jake Ingracia has tracked this case from the start, joining us live right now from outside the Larson Justice Center, Indio, with the very latest. Jake, what can you tell us?
Yeah, and Angela, what an extremely unique set of circumstances that have led to this moment here. We should first begin with the fact that this is the second jury trial for Jose Laren Garcia. His first ended with a deadlocked jury earlier this year. Then, in the midst of this second jury trial, you've got this new evidence coming out that was previously discovered and was believed to have been lost. So what is that evidence? Well, it's a paper bag containing a bullet casing, a cigarette butt, broken glass, and debris. It was found in the trunk of a crashed Toyota Corolla where the 3 victims were shot about a month ago. That bullet casing was said by the judge to be incriminating against Laren Garcia. Its head stamp manufacturer marking the brand of the bullet, FC, matches live bullets that were found in Laren Garcia's bedroom by police. There was also an FC bullet that was found in Laren Garcia's trunk of his car. The defense argued that it would not be fair to bring in this evidence before the jury this late in the game because they've relied on the state of the evidence up until now. That was the basis for the defense request to rule on a mistrial. But the judge this morning denied that request and decided the most fair path forward is to proceed with the trial and exclude that bullet casing. Now, the trial will now move forward as if that casing was never found. The jury will not hear anything about it. However, the judge did leave the door open for some of that broken glass that was found around the murder scene to come in, and the defense's blood spatter expert can analyze that and bring that before the jury. An extremely complicated and convoluted set of circumstances, but this trial now moving forward with testimony expected to resume tomorrow, Angela.
All right, very interesting turn in the case. Thank you, Jake, for being out there for us.